Good morning, student. Happy New Year to all. Hope you enjoyed your vacation. Student, our class 10th IT chapter, all the chapters are completed. So, I am starting my revision session now. Come to chapter number 1, networking. First, we'll discuss the internet. Internet that you are knowing, it is a big library internet where if you want to search anything, any content, you will be getting the answer with different links and different websites. The internet is a massive network of networks. It connects millions of computers together globally, forming a new network in which computer can communicate as long as they are connected. Internet was created in 1969, sponsored by US Defense. It is began the creation computer ARPANET, Advanced Research Project Agency Network. In mid 80s, National NSF create NSF Net series, Research Education Communication. These two networks were linked and together they form the internet. Means here ARPANET and NSF Net. These two we are using as the networking, and when these two connected, it formed as a internet. It till the 1990s, the internet was used mainly for academic and military purpose. In 1990s, we are using for this only for academic or military purpose. Then later we joined to many private commercial organization or the organization where they were using the internet there. Internet means more than one computer they connected all the computers, and then with the network they were sharing their documents, sharing their chat with the people. This all were happened. Then the internet gained massive popularity after development of World Wide Web. Now www in 1990s, if it popular, then it linked through the all over the world. www means World Wide Web. Um, World Wide Web refers to million electronics documents called web pages. These are linked to each other like a spider web. Then fact unit is given here. According to Google, the internet considered 5 million terabytes of data way back in 2010, and as 2018, more than 1.9 billion websites on the internet. In this much internet websites are there in the internet. 95 million photos are uploaded in Instagram every day. That you are knowing about this. You are very familiar while using the internet nowadays, I know. Then web page. Web page means any digital page on the World Wide Web is called a web page. Web client means web client refers to the computer which are accessing the World Wide Web by using the web browser on user machines. That web client means web browser that you are using to open a internet. Then web server means web server is a computer which respond to the request from the client computer and process the web server run on the server software. It means if you are searching something while using the web clients, then it send the request to the web server that what content we had given there for searching, and that content result the server will give as a response to the client. This picture is given here, architecture of the web. The client send request to server, then server give response to the client. Like this it works. Web browser. A web browser is a software on the client computer that accesses web pages on the internet and displays them on the computer screen. It is the basic software needed to find, retrieve, view, and send information over the internet. Three popular web browsers are globally means Chrome by Google, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, which is default web browser for Windows. That you are knowing about the web browser, it is used to access the internet. Without this, we are not able to access the internet in our computer and in our mobile also. Web pages. Web pages means the website is having different web pages. That in 8th class and this class also you are knowing how to make the web pages for website, and that hyperlink also you are knowing, and how to create a web page. It is given here with HTML language. HTML language you are knowing, it is considered a universal language to design the web pages. It is machine independent, which means can be used all types of computer and all the browsers are able to read this page. It needs no programming. It only a text based layout of web page and defining the hyperlink to connect the pages and to displayed by the browser. And then HTML codes are written using the editor. Which editor you are using for writing the HTML code? Notepad or WordPad? That while writing the code you are using this Notepad only. Then dynamic HTML allow the web page to change after it's loaded into the browser without requiring the communicated web server to be updated. Means, for example, a web page have graphic change, a piece of text color. If you want to change that, you are able to change the page. Dynamic page content allow the user to change the dynamically. Means, if you want to do some changes in the web page designing, so you are able to do with the help of this DHTML. Then website. A website is a collection of web pages related to each other by certain topic. Website, you are knowing, if you had if you are having some organization or something, some company or organization, if you want to make the website, that you have to give the website name and then register in the internet. Web portal means especially designed website to bring information together from different web pages organized, that the home page of the web page has link to another website. For example, a shopping portal www.amazon.com will have links to many other websites. This is known as the web portal. Then web hosting. Web hosting is a server that uploads and store a site HTML document and related files on a web server. One can view the site available on the World Wide Web by different web browser. Means web hosting means the search engine we are searching. Web hosting means a service of uploading and storing the site in HTML document file server. Then search engine means there are different search engines are there. With the help of this we are searching our content. Online offline means if you are connected to the internet, that means you are online, and if you are not connected to the internet, it means you are offline. URL means each website has an address and called URL address, web server which website stored. So these are the web server name: http://www.cbse.nic.in. These are the URL web addresses. Then domain name is given here. These are the different domain name: government, education, organization. These are the different domain names. IP address means it is a unique numeric identifier, computer and network. IP number as in part of global standardized scheme for identifying machines that are connected to the internet. With the help of this IP address, we are connected to internet, and every system is having their own IP address. Email addresses, or you are knowing if you are registered in email, any email addresses, suppose Gmail or Yahoo or Rediff, that you have to give the email address also. So you have to make your own email address. Then some rules are there by making the email address while filling the form. They were giving the instruction. Download and upload. Download means if you want to download something from the internet, means if you want to download the song, video or some document from the internet, if you want something from internet, then it means it downloaded. And if you want to store your document or your picture or your images to internet, it means it is known as the upload. Then modem is blend of modern and demodular. Modem means electronic machine stores the data digitally format, means telephone wires transfer to data in the form of sound analog. How to do this? Modem is used to store, and modem is give the signal of that signal through the telephone lines by receiving the computer signals, receiving to the computer. And with the help of this model, we are able to connect our computer or our mobile internet connection with the help of this. So these are the different things we discussed, and next class we'll discuss the start from the modern. So read this paragraph, this read this topic once, and the next class we'll continue the class. Thank you.